We're going to continue topic 5.4, and we're going to do the example that's called Your Turn 4. I did cut some things out that were in the book. So you'll notice that it's got this 1, 2, 3. Your book likes to label the equations with a number. I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to call it the first equation, second equation, third equation. So in this one, I'm noticing it really doesn't matter if I pick X, I pick Y, or I pick Z. It looks like Z is probably our best bet and our least amount of work because I've already got two variables that are the same with opposite coefficients. So I'm going to go with that one. I've got X plus 2Y plus Z equals 8. And all I'm doing is rewriting so that I simply, for the purpose of me being able to line this up and add. And then I'm going to choose to use the middle one and the third one to eliminate the next variable. It looks like I need to eliminate the other z. I'm going to multiply that second one by 3. I'm going to distribute it through the whole thing. So 6x plus 3y minus 3z equals 12. And I'm just going to write the other one down exactly the way it looked before. It's really easy on these to copy something down right, so be very careful and double check your work to make sure you're actually doing it right. So we've got 6x plus x would be 7x, 3y plus y would be 4y, the z's cancel like we planned, and 12 plus 7 would be 19. Now let's go over to the other pair of equations. Let's see, we have x plus 2x is 3x. 2y plus y would be 3y. Our z's canceled like we planned. And then we've got 8 plus 4 would be 12. So it's not like the one we did the last time where we got the z right away. We're going to have to solve a system of 2. It does not matter how you solve the system of 2. You can use substitution, elimination, or Cramer's rule. It is up to you. I'm going to use elimination. I'm going to choose to eliminate my y's, which means this one's going to need to get multiplied by 4, and this one's going to need to get multiplied by negative 3. So I'm going to do the green one first. So that's going to give me 12x plus 12y equals 48. Then I'm going to do the purple one, but I'm going to just write it underneath. So that's going to be negative 21. I did not do it. Oh, yeah, it says. Never mind. Negative 21x minus 12y equals, we have to do negative 3 times 19, which I get negative 57. All right, then we've got 12 minus 21, which is negative 9x. The 12s cancel. 48 minus 57 equals, ooh, nice, it equals negative 9, which means that x is going to be equal to 1 because negative 9 divided by negative 9 would be 1. Now I get to pick. Am I going to put it into the green one or am I going to put it into the orange one? It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose the green one. And I know I wrote kind of big. Hopefully you wrote a little smaller. I'm going to put my work off to the side here. So I'm going into my green. I'm saying 3 times, I wanted to make the one maybe orange or purple or something else, which of course it's not popping up that way. There we go. All right, and then plus 3y equals 12. So 3 times 1 would just be 3 plus 3y equals 12. I'm going to subtract the 3, which is going to give me 9, and then I'm going to divide by 3, which is going to give me 3. So I've got the x, I've got the y, I got to get the z. It doesn't matter which one I'm going to do. I'm going to choose this first. Whoa, that's not what I wanted. Now it's highlighting like I wanted it to. And now it's erasing. There we go. Okay. I'm going to choose the first one because the z's coefficient is 1. Let's pick a color we haven't done yet. Let's do red, I guess. So I am going to put in, instead of the x, I'm going to put in a 1. And I'm using the parentheses only to emphasize what I am doing here. I know the y, so 2 times the y, which was the green, which ended up being 3. And then I don't know anything else. So plus z equals 8. So let's see, 2 times 3 is 6. And then 6 plus 1 is 7 plus z equals 8. So z is equal to 1. So my final answer looks like it's 1, 3, 1.